Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zynga Poker the easy way. First, you'll want to download the Zynga Poker app, available on most app stores. Once installed, simply create a new account or log in using your existing Facebook profile for quick access. As a new player, you'll receive a generous welcome bonus of free chips, typically around 60,000, allowing you to jump straight into the action without any initial investment. This makes starting your poker journey incredibly simple and fun. Understanding hand rankings is absolutely crucial for playing Zynga Poker effectively. You'll need to memorize the hierarchy of hands from the lowest, a high card, all the way up to the unbeatable royal flush. For instance, a pair beats a high card and two pairs beat a single pair. Knowing these combinations, like a full house beating a flush, will guide your decisions throughout every game. There are 10 main hand rankings to learn, making it manageable for beginners. Once you're at a table, the game begins with two players posting forced bets called the small and big blinds. Then, each player receives two private cards known as whole cards. The first betting round starts. Next, 3 community cards, the flop, are dealt, followed by another betting round. The fourth community card, the turn, and a third betting round occur. Finally, the fifth community card, the river, is dealt, leading to the final betting round. For an easy start, adopt a tight playing style, meaning you only enter pots with strong starting hands. This reduces your risk significantly. Pay close attention to how your opponents bet. Their actions can reveal the strength of their hands. If your hand isn't improving and you face aggressive betting, don't hesitate to fold. Saving your chips for better opportunities is a smart move, especially when you are just learning the ropes of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.